Hello guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to assign IP address to the client and server computer. First thing you need to do is first open my network place properties. Then in the properties windows under LAN or high-speed internet heading, select your local area connection. After selecting your local area connection, click properties. The next step, now a new window should pop up titled Local Area Connection Properties. Like you see in the screen, the number 3. Here you have to select Internet Protocol or TCP IP option, then click on Properties button. This will again bring a new pop-up Internet Protocol TCP IP properties, the number 2. Then in this windows, you have to select use the following IP address or the number 1 you see in your screen. Then radio button and give the given value as shown in the picture, exactly like this. Then click OK. Next, you will be happy to hear that you have successfully assigned IP address of your first PC. Now it's time for the second PC. The process will be the same. The only we have to change or assign IP address to the second PC. So we will begin from step 4 on second PC. We have we have to change or assign IP address to the second PC. So we will begin from step 4. On second PC, we have to change IP address to 192.168.0.2. Like you see in your screen that the name is IP address. And subnet mask will be the same. You can see that in below image. If you have more PC to connect to network, so your next PC IP address will be 192.168.0.3 and so on. Now you need to check the connectivity between these PCs. We will confirm this connectivity with ping command. Go to run or press window plus R and type ping 192.168.0.1 from client PC. You should get following replies. If you don't get reply similar to this, then you need to check this from beginning. You can post comment here and I will try to solve your problem as quickly as possible. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.